So in this video, I'm going to tell you the difference between Google Ads and Google AdSense. So let's start off with Google Ads. Google Ads was formerly known as Google AdWords, but as Google is, they're constantly changing their sort of terminology, so it's just a matter of keeping up to date with it. So Google Ads it's a paid platform whereby if you're selling a product or a service, you can advertise your product or service on Google. And what happens, it works a bit like an auction system. So what you essentially do is assign keywords to your products or services. So if you're selling furniture, one of your keywords might be furniture. And what you tell Google is that if somebody goes to Google and types in the word furniture, I want my ad to be displayed because I'm selling that as a product. And then if people click on the ad, they will go to your website, and in return, you pay Google a set amount of fees. So essentially, Google Ads, for if you're offering a product or service to sell, you can advertise your business on Google Ads and pay Google each time somebody clicks on your ad in order to go to your website or even call you. So in order to set up a Google Ads account, you simply go to google.com/AdWords. And there'll be a link in the description below which will show you exactly how to get there. You sign up, you enter your details, and you can start creating your account. With Google AdSense, however, Google AdSense is more for publishers. So if you've got a website whereby you've got a lot of content on it, and maybe you've got a lot of traffic on it, you might have a blog. So what you can do, you can say to Google that, hey, I've got a website and I write regular content about a certain topic. It could be pets, it could be furniture, it could be cars or whatever. And then what Google will do, using the Google AdSense platform, you can get a small piece of code and you put your code within your website on a certain page, or even on multiple places on your page. So as and when people are reading your blog, what Google will do is it will show people ads that are relevant to them. So if you've got a page talking about the latest Porsche car, for example, what you might see is that an ad appears in the middle of your blog showing a Porsche car, which people can click on and then go to their website. In return, what Google will do is that they will pay you. With Google AdWords or Google Ads, you pay Google to advertise. With Google AdSense, Google will pay you each time somebody sees an ad and clicks on the ad in order to visit your website. So hopefully that makes a bit of sense in terms of clarifying the main difference between Google Ads and Google AdSense. So in terms of which one I should use or which one you should use, it really depends on your business model. If you're selling a product or service, use Google AdWords or Google Ads. If you're a publisher and you've got great quality content, then use Google AdSense. So I know a lot of people who are making in excess of $500 a month simply by putting a small piece of code onto the website, so that when somebody clicks on the ad, they go to your website and Google pays you a set amount of pence or whatever that is. You've always got options in order to work out how to monetize your content. Google AdSense is just one way of monetizing your content. So if you want to earn money from writing content, Google is just one way. There are alternative ways, such as you can put affiliate links to other products, but that's a topic for another video. Anyway guys, hope you like that, and if you do like it, please subscribe to the channel below and write down in your comments what are your thoughts. Have you used AdSense in any shape or form, and what's been your experience of it? And whilst at it, please download my Google Ads ebook, which shows you great ways of creating an awesome Google Ads campaign. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you soon. Take care.